Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see one of the concept with the Terraform series, which is map of strings. So how we can use map of strings, which is with the variables. So for that, we have the variable block here. So this is the example of how to use this. So you have to specify type equal to map of string. So here you are giving some key value by default. So the key you are going to use in the resource block. So for that, here I have mentioned small app. It is user friendly things which is on key. You can give any name. For example, here I given small app which is on T2 micro. So T2 micro is the instance type. You have to give it as a value. So medium apps T2 large. Prod app which is on T2 X large. So we have to specify the key value like this. So this key we are going to use in the resource block. So you are creating the AWS instance here. So here I am giving the instance type is equal to, which is on variable EC2 instance type. I'm giving the small app. So where I have taken from the small app. So small app I taken from here. So small app is equal to T2 micro. If I use the small app, then instant type will create on T2 micro. If I use prod app, then it will create on as a T2 large. So like this it will work. Let's see the demo. So for that I have already the configuration file. In my configuration file I have the main .tf. I'm going to create two security group and one EC2 instance here, and here I have the variable files. So in these variable files you can see that EC2 instance type, which is I'm going to create. So here I'm using small app, medium app, and big apps. So what will happen if I use small apps in the resource block for the instance type? Let's do the plan for that. Terraform plan. So total four resources are getting created, getting creating. So this instance type is going to be T3 micro. Why? Because T3 micro I have used small apps. If I use medium apps, let's see that what will happen by modifying this. So in the instance type, I'm using, instead of this small apps, I'm using this medium app. Then it should create on the T3. Then it should create on T3 medium type instance type, right? So let's see that. So you can see that in the plan it is showing T3 medium. So this is how the map of strings will work with variables. You can use according to your requirement on your environment. I believe this concept is helpful for you. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow for the more videos. Let's see you in the next class.